perfect na example ng TDH. Tall? Check. Dark? Check. Handsome? So check. Kaya naman, nasa kanya talaga lahat. Pero kuya, aside from that, alam mo anong meron siya? Utak, kuya. Meron siyang utak. He's so smart, the way he talks, the way he communicates. I love it. I love it so much.